Hi, my name is Rose Reynolds. My address is 1910 East 86th Street, number 135, Bloomington, Minnesota 55425. My phone number is 612-432-083. And the title of my video is A Day Out with Blizzard Buddy. There I am. And there's my Blizzard Buddy from Dairy Queen. Today we're gonna go spend the day at the Mall of America. Oh, he's a little bit too small. I'm gonna have to be his chaperone. First ride was bumper cars. It's a little bit rough, but Blizzard Buddy seemed to handle it better than I did. It's his first roller coaster ride. He was a little bit nervous. Yeah, we made it. Carousel is a classic ride. We had to go on it. Oh. Oh, we had a little accident right there. Snoopy bounce. I'm a little too tall to go on there. Jump, jump. Yeah! Woo! Mighty Axe. The only ride in the park to go upside down. I knew it'd be fine though because Blizzard Buddy is a Dairy Queen blizzard and blizzards do not spill when they are tipped upside down. It was a pretty exciting ride. Blizzard Buddy seemed to like it a lot. Underwater Adventures, the aquarium in the Mall of America. Blizzard Buddy wanted to see some sharks. They were pretty amazing. Blizzard Buddy touched a shark, so he got the sticker awarded to him. It was an exciting moment in his blizzard life. And that's the day with Blizzard Buddy.